Welcome to our support guide. Quicken One Step Update Not Working. Solutions. In this video, we will provide solutions for resolving the Quicken One Step Update Not Working issue. For additional assistance, you can contact our support team at +1 855 376 1777. Common causes of one-step update issues include internet connectivity problems, outdated Quicken software, incorrect account information, and issues with Quicken servers.
Solution 1. Check Internet connection. Step 1. Check your Internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to the Internet, restart your modem router, and test the connection by visiting a website. Solution 2. Update. Quicken Step 2. Update your Quicken software. Open Quicken. Go to Help. Check for updates and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Solution 3. Verify account information. Step 3. Verify your account information. Open Quicken and go to the Accounts list. Select the account experiencing issues. Click on Edit, Update Now, and verify your username and password. Solution 4. Refresh online account information. Step 4. Refresh your online account information. Go to Tools, Account List, select the account, and click Edit. Click Online Services, Reset Account, and follow the prompts to reset and refresh your account. Solution 5. Check Quicken servers. Step 5. Check Quicken server status. Visit the Quicken community or Quicken support website. Look for any announcements about server outages or maintenance, and wait and try the update again if there is a known issue. Solution 6. Validate and repair file. Step 6. Validate and repair your Quicken file. Go to File, File Operations. Validate and repair. Select Validate File and click OK, and follow the prompts to check for errors. Contact support need more help? If the issue persists, contact our support team for further assistance. Call us at +1 855 376 1777 for expert help with your Quicken issues. Thank you for watching. We hope these solutions helped resolve your Quicken One Step Update issue. For more support videos and troubleshooting guides, subscribe to our channel. Contact our support team for personalized assistance.